Yeta, Gorsa Yeta, Yabalka Yeta, Yeta ya, Gina Yeta yain, Yete ek ania, Osia an ek. Yeta in Maban or African is considered Africa's most venomous snake. Yeta, Gorsa Yeta, Yabalka Yeta, Yeta ya, Gina Yeta yain, Yite eke ania, Osia an ek. Yeta in Maban is considered Africa's most venomous snake. Yeta. And because based on Maban, an African language, the language of imperative theory and also logic, all cobras, they're not just one name, cobras, because of the difference of venom, because some of them are tough, some of them have a tougher venom, or they're serious, because when they bite their prey or enemies or a person or someone, their enemies wouldn't live longer, just die from there. So based on not just cobra, they're all opens or expanding their head when they approach their enemies. No, here it's based on venom. Yet mean the most venom snakes or cobras. So language, it is switch things around, not just cobra in Maban. Pui means be awareness, means facing the enemies or situations or being aware. But here, it is a cobra, but type of cobras. Or cobra, it based here on idea that this type of cobra is venomous, is a killer cobras, is the tough one. So that's why in Maban is called Yeta. But there's a lot of words in Maban. What does it say? Yeta, yae, ponnabe, that's mean bad, not good. Yae, yeta, ponnabe, amene yain, join yain. So there's a lot of words, as well as English or other languages have. So Yeta here means the most venomous snake. So again, Yeta, Gorsa Yeta, Ebalka Yeta, Yeta ya, Gina Yeta yayan, Yiti eke ania, Osia anek. Yeta in Maban is considered Africa's most venomous snake.